Italian pot roast. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be taking our Dutch oven, adding an extra virgin olive oil, adding salt and pepper on all sides with our chuck roast cubed, browning all sides just like so. Remove this beef and then adding in 8 ounces of pancetta, saute till brown, then adding in yellow onion, carrots, celery, cloves of garlic minced, tomato paste, and saute everything till it's nice and translucent. From here, we're going to be adding our beef right back in just like so. Now adding in bay leaves, sprigs of thyme, a bunch of parsley. Next, adding in beef stock, red wine, just like so. Covering this, bake at 350 degrees for 2 hours. Serving this with parsnip puree or any potatoes you like. Serving this tonight with the Minced Cabernet Reserve for Napa Valley. Profiles of blueberry compote, Madagascar vanilla, hints of cocoa powder. On a palate, flavors of plum, dark cherry are complemented with notes of baker's chocolate. Amazing. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a wonderful day now you're here. Bye-bye.